Hi, I'm Anthony from Universe IT. I want to take just a sec to explain how to get multi-factor authentication set up on your phone. Now, MFA or 2FA, as it's sometimes called, just stands for multi-factor authentication or two-factor authentication. And what it does is allows you to sign in securely, because if a hacker gets your password, then they can easily sign into your account with that. However, if you have MFA set up, you'll be prompted on your phone to accept the connection, and you can choose deny if you know that it wasn't you. The process is going to be pretty similar between iPhone and Android. You'll just go into the App Store, look for the Microsoft Authenticator app, install it, and then scan the QR code. I'll show you how to do that now. So I've got an iPhone here. Once we get logged in, we'll just go into the App Store. And what I'm going to search for is simply MFA. And the results that we get back, the first one should be Microsoft Authenticator here. This is the one we want. It'll start downloading and show up on the home screen. Once it's complete, open it up, and the first screen you'll see asks you if you want to share your app data. You can turn that on if you like and choose accept. Now, this first screen, you'll get an option to scan a QR code. That's what we want to do here. And we'll need to allow access to the camera. And now you can see it's using the camera to try and scan a QR code. So let me get a computer here. When you get in front of your computer, you'll want to go to office.com and choose sign in. You'll log in with your email address. And enter your password. You'll probably get a notification that says more information required. We'll go through the steps now. Now, the screen that I see here may be slightly different from what you'll see, but the idea is the same. You'll go through the steps to add your authenticator and scan the QR code, and then you will be able to enter your cell phone number and receive a text message as well as a backup. So I'll choose mobile app, receive notifications for verification, set up, and then I'll get a QR code. Once again, it'll be slightly different from your side, but you will get to a page that tells you to download and install the app as we've done, and get to a page that shows you this QR code. And we'll go back into the app. And it's got the QR code scanner ready. And now we can choose allow to receive notifications. And there my account shows up. And we'll go to the next page. And it will send us a test notification, and we can approve that. Verification successful. And now you can enter your cell phone number and receive a text message and move forward from there. That's it. Hope it helps. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.